healthy Indomie for you.
Welcome to a magical journey to make healthy Indomie ramen Ghibli style. Let's start this enchanting cooking adventure together. We start with the freshest ingredients: crunchy bok choy, sweet carrots, natural mushrooms, and our beloved Indomie noodles. Now we prepare our magical golden broth, stirring it gently to awaken all the wonderful flavors.
Place the contents of the Indomie packet in boiling water. Then prepare the other toppings. Suitable vegetables such as kabocha, spinach, or grape leaves. Carrots. Mushrooms. Flavored broth mix suitable for you or your children. Add everything you've prepared to the broth to give it plenty of beneficial minerals.
And now for the protein. A perfectly poached egg with its golden runny yolk that will create magic when it mixes with our broth. Look how the yolk shines like a small sun. This will add richness and complete protein to our healthy meal. Ghibli style, even eating becomes an art. See how we can create beautiful patterns with our noodles. Now we arrange our vegetables not just for nutrition but for beauty. Each piece has its perfect place. Like a mandala, our arrangement brings harmony and balance. Food becomes meditation and nourishment an art. And here we are, our healthy Indomie transformed into a work of art, nourishing both body and soul.
There is room to add any flavors and different vegetables you like, according to your request. Now we can enjoy a delicious and healthy meal. If you like the video, click like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to receive all the latest news. See you soon.